buying items based only on reviews official title. We saw 5 items.
So we got it.
Dude, calm down. I don't want to play this game anymore. What's up, guys? Welcome to Clevver Style.
Hello, ding dong.
Hi. All right, you guys, we're doing something really fun here today, okay?
What are we doing?
This is a game that I have played many a time here on this channel, and it is Lauren's first time, which makes me really, really excited because it is a little game that the world knows as buying items based only on reviews official title. It is exactly what it sounds like.
The rules are in the title, you're right.
Exactly.
Wow.
Problem solved.
Okay, so here is how it works. Bridget is going to present us with 10 reviews. Each of these reviews represent one item, so 10 items total. She will start to read the review. If we like how it sounds, we hit this buzzer right here. Once one of us reaches 4 items, the game stops. Stop! And then once the game ends, we will unbox the items we selected. Okay. But sometimes the items we didn't select are way better than the ones we did, and we'll unbox those too.
This is my round. Over my
This is my round. Are they trying to trick us?
Sometimes, yes.
Damn it.
That's so sneaky.
But also, if neither one of us are drawn to the review, we can also skip it and then go to the next item.
Okay, cool.
Because I think sometimes they like to trick us and save some really good items for the end of the list. And the last time I saw what that editor did, he said I was thinking too hard about this, but you know what? I have to think really hard because sometimes they're really tricky.
Sometimes I like when you think hard.
It hurts my brain.
All right, ladies, are you ready
Yeah.
to play? The title of this, definitely buy this from this brand for these.
Wait, I'm sorry, what?
That is the title of the review.
Don't care! Don't care! It's Lululemon!
All right, Lauren has picked review number 1. Let me read the actual review and not just the title.
Okay.
These are so cute, long lasting, and they don't crease. I was waiting to see if I wore them long enough if they would. They don't. Highly recommended. These are the best and we'll be purchasing another soon.
They don't crease?
I think if I had heard the crease, I would have not rang the buzzer. What happens now?
We keep going.
Oh.
This is from Todd.
Todd?
Todd? Who is Todd?
I don't trust him.
Period. The title is Good Fit. Bought this to scare my girlfriend. Works great, fits good, and I'm like a shadow in the night.
It's gotta be like a morph suit.
I don't know, not into it.
Todd, we should be concerned about your girlfriend?
Wait!
We're thinking about this way too
How
much.
does Todd
What?
spell his name?
T-O-D-D.
Like Todd.
No, thank you.
Todd?
The title, bigger and more plump than it looks. My dog loves it, but my husband wants to put it on the shelf because he thinks it's funny.
Yeah, whatever.
All right, Sinead.
I like a little home decor.
We are tied on the board, 1 and 1.
Plumper than it looks.
That sounds interesting.
Beautiful, just like the picture, true to size, and great material, very soft silk feel.
All right, that could
All
be
right.
good.
Give me that
That
soft
could be
silky
good.
feel.
Yeah, that could be a Trinity. Trinity.
All right,
Trust her.
Trinity.
Yeah.
All right,
Sounded
Lauren.
very detailed.
Lauren is at 2, Sinead is at 1. This is from a person called JGA, Jaw.
What?
Ah.
The title is 10 points to Gryffindor.
Ooh.
I just want to keep hearing
All
that.
right, the rest of the review. Master gave me this and now I feel free.
Master has given Dobby a sock.
I am so glad
It's a
It's
sock.
a fucking sock!
It's a sock.
So glad I did not. I retract.
Whatever.
Oh, okay, we are tied.
10 points.
Review number 6.
Wait, what's the score?
2 and 2, we are tied.
Well, we still have 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. We still have 5 items.
So we got
So you need to
cooler.
calm down.
Yeah. This review is from Lulu K, a verified buyer. Loved it, so cute, looks great, with so many things, and brings an edge to a look. Can't go without it.
Okay, I know, I'm sorry. I had
The
to
word
do this.
edge.
Well, but verified buyer, only certain stores notate verified buyers, and they happen to be stores I like.
Well, all right.
Amazon does it.
Do they?
Yes.
In the top of their reviews?
Yes.
Yeah.
They say it in words?
Yes.
Damn it!
Oh, chill out.
Title of this is Yum! Love this. This color is wonderful, like a rich hot cocoa.
Oof.
Not too heavy, but keeps you warm and toasty.
Sounds fuzzy and brown, and I'm really into browns right now, and I love fuzzy and Sherpa.
All right, there we go. We are now at a tie again.
3 and 3?
Which woman will take the final review?
The suspense is killing me.
Love it! If you buy only one thing for your fall wardrobe, you need this. It's super cute and comfy and will definitely complete any fall look.
But I don't want it
It's not even fall.
Can I give the brown back? Can I give the
No.
No.
But I
No.
want it.
I'm sorry, those are not in the rules. 3, 2, 1. We're skipping. Number 8.
Oh, come on.
The title is 10 out of 10. Here's the review. I absolutely loved this. I actually got broken up with in it, but the vibe of it made me less sad.
She got broken up with it
Anonymous.
while she was wearing it.
We're skipping it.
I think this item is cursed.
We are skipping it.
All right, well then it's down to the last review.
All right, wow.
It is?
Down
oh no,
to the-
I don't hurt me.
No one will hurt you for as long as you're mine.
Last review. Verified purchaser.
Doesn't matter, I want it. I know how the rules work.
Love them. Love. They make me feel fashionable when I'm just chilling at home. However, I did fall down the stairs with them on and blame them for it. At least they're pretty.
Are you
Can't
joking?
blame them for it.
She did fall down the stairs in them, and she said, and I blame them, but at least they're pretty.
Exactly. They're gorgeous, beautifully sparkly, huge heels.
Well, we'll just have to see. Time to unbox.
Yes, 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 yes.
It is time to unbox the items we selected. We're gonna do them in order, so you have the first one because you had review number 1 that you selected.
Because I'm faster. Okay, these are so cute, long lasting, and they don't crease. I was waiting to see if I wore them long enough, if they would. Semicolon. They don't. Highly recommend. These are the best and will be purchasing another pair soon. Pair? I don't remember you getting that far.
You were yelling. You were like, if I knew that it said crease, I would on.
Got it. Nope.
Oh, no, definitely not. What is that?
What are you?
Open it! I'm so excited.
Okay.
What is that? Are those suspenders?
These are overalls.
They're suspenders.
Ah!
Oh, those are cute. They're garters.
Now I understand why she didn't put what it was in her title. You can have it.
I don't want these.
Oh.
Mona says, bigger and more plump than it looks. My dog loves it, but my husband wants to put it on the shelf because he thinks it's funny. What is it? I don't know. It feels like it's nothing.
What's plump? It goes on a shelf. Oh, look at that.
It's cute. It's the turkey head.
That's perfect.
This is cute.
Does it?
The dog is gonna love
Does
this.
it do anything?
No.
Doesn't it have a sound box?
Yay! That scared the out of me only because I wasn't expecting it. So it is a pet toy. And the reason why it's a turkey head is because Monica puts this hat and these sunglasses do the dance. Yes. On her head to cheer up Chandler at Thanksgiving. Bam, it's cute. The new dog will eat this
Very
in
quickly.
approximately 2.5 seconds. Maybe I should put it on my shelf.
Beautiful, just like the picture. True to size and great material, very soft silk feel.
Oh yeah, that's right, that's right.
Okay, this person has left 39 reviews. I feel pretty good.
Ooh, what is it, what is it, what is it? Could be cute, could be cute, could be cute. What the hell is it?
Oh, they're pants.
Hey, this is
For a
cute.
very small person. Oh, good, my perfect waist size. What is this? Bridget.
These are pajamas?
What is it? These do not feel breathable.
I was gonna say, is it polyester?
I'm gonna read the Trinity
The
again.
finest plastic.
Look, true to size. Just like her review.
Sometimes I just don't understand why people make reviews like this, you know? It doesn't have a silky feel.
Sinead, that looks very comfy.
Mine is from JGA. 10 points to Gryffindor.
I bet this is gonna be
Master gave me this blank and now I am free.
Oh.
Ooh, I'm so sorry.
This is really good. Is it? Oh, it's like an ugly Christmas.
Wow, it's like really cute.
That's way too loud for you.
This is like really cute.
Do you actually like it?
Yeah, I do. Except I'm not a Gryffindor, neither are you.
Well, I mean, like, yeah.
I don't think anyone in this room is a Gryffindor.
I just like to pretend to be one.
This is really cute. It's soft too.
I know.
Number 6, Lulu K, verified buyer. So just so we know, Lulu K, some background info. She's 25 to 34 years old, one of those ages, and she's 5'3".
Oh,
me
good.
too. And this was written in July. She says, "Love it, so cute, looks great, with so many things and brings an edge to a look. Can't go without it."
Oh, this is gonna be a good one.
Oh, dude, I don't know, man.
But for short people.
I don't know. Ugh. It is Princess Polly. I knew it was one of the Pollys.
Huh.
I got you a bag.
That is hideoso. It
It's
looks
from the vegan collection, which is good in case you were worried it's real
that
zebra.
it was real.
I'm sorry if you like it, but it is really like trash.
If you,
Can't go without. You can go without. You can go without.
it's not a horrible bag. Feel it. It's really soft.
It's yours now.
Anyways,
You're so lucky.
next.
You're so lucky.
This is fine. It's fine. It's just not my vibe.
It's gonna
but it's
go-
fine.
it'll go-
It's fine.
Don't lie to me.
Why did I pick this one? The title is Yum. I do love food, but that just seems weird.
Maybe it's alcohol.
Why am I like, let me break it? Okay, love this. The color is wonderful, like rich hot cocoa, not too heavy,
that's
but
right.
keeps you toasty warm.
Oh, that's right. Okay, so it's like a scarf or something.
I hope so. Okay, here we go. It's brown. I knew it was.
Oh, take it out. Take it out.
Oh, I need to enjoy that. You had your moment. I just want to like, what are you? Ooh.
Hey, this is from the Pantone collection.
What's that? This is really cute. It's very brown.
I feel like I'm gonna be alone forever, and am I gonna have to just spend my years at Clevver always explaining what Pantone is to everybody? Hey, this is so cute.
This is really nice.
It's so good on you.
I love it. Yay!
It's cute. It's really cute.
This is perfect.
Yeah.
It's very soft and puffy. Actually, it's plumper than I thought. I could put it on my shelf.
If that's a joke, I love it.
Another verified purchaser. Love them. Love these. They make me feel fashionable when I'm just chilling. Oh god, that's right. These are the death sticks.
No, I bet they're gonna be like the cutest shoes in the entire world. Just
They
watch.
make me feel fashionable when I'm just chilling at home. However, I did fall down the stairs with them and blame them for it. At least they're pretty.
I swear, I have a good feeling. And she probably just shouldn't have been wearing them down the stairs. Just open it.
Okay. Oh my god. Oh, they're slippers.
Okay.
I
I'm not
love
that disappointed.
slippers.
Thank God.
What is she doing? Wearing them on their hands? Like, how did she fall down the stairs in these?
I don't know, but they are cute. They're from ASOS, so at least you know they're good quality.
Is that what we?
They're
is
a little
that,
bit hard.
There. This is so it's a platform slipper. I knew it.
Yes. Yes. Cute.
Sorry. It was like the cat.
Big mistake. Big. Huge.
All right, so now it's time to unbox the items we did not select, and hopefully we made some good choices here today. So first up, we have Todd. Remember, he was trying to be a
What if-
horrible boyfriend?
What if he's the best?
I know. Bought this to scare my girlfriend. Works great, fits good, and I'm like a shadow in the night.
He abbreviated girlfriend. I am judging. You're right.
Oh my God, I'm so right.
Yeah.
Right? Was I right?
Totes.
Oh yeah. He bought it to scare his girlfriend. This suit I have put on my body before. Drew selected this for me when we did picking our BFF's Halloween costumes because she wanted me to be Kim Kardashian from the Met Gala. And she did a fantastic job.
Todd, you're not Kim Kardashian from the Met Gala. Move on. Don't be f***ing rude.
Now this could either be good or really, really, really bad.
Love it. If you buy only one thing for your fall wardrobe, you need this. It's super cute and comfy and will definitely complete any fall look.
Oof, I'm nervous.
What if it's a pumpkin spice latte?
Yeah, it's just been in the box.
Just spill it. Okay, here we go. Please be not good. Get the out of here. Get out of here. I don't want to play this game anymore. I don't want to play this game anymore.
Oh, and it's from Windsor. But don't you own this? I think you own this.
Two colors, but not that one.
Oh,
It's a crop? I don't have the crop. I only have the full length.
How did that happen to you? How did it happen?
You! Rewind the tape!
It's not even fall. You'll be fine. I'm sure you own it.
You said don't do it, Laura. Don't do it. And look what happened when I didn't do it.
Well, I didn't realize it was not only going to be red, but it was also going to be plaid, and it was also going to be from Windsor. How was I supposed to know it was your 3 favorite things in the world? I'm so sorry. At least I taught you what Pantone means.
Where are you taking that?
It's not ours. We didn't select
I
it.
know what I missed.
Thousands of tears later.
Number 9.
How does the biggest box not get picked?
I absolutely love this blank I got broken up with in it, but the vibe of it made me less sad.
Oh, I bet it's gonna be good. It's big. Everything is big. That's good.
That's what she said.
Oh my God. You got broken up with in the inflatable tooth man costume?
I know why you dumped her. The vibe of it made me less sad. Shmeet, we did
Has
good.
to
We
be a
did
joke
good.
review. This person
knew
was
it.
like, this is really funny. I'm gonna go ahead and tell people that I got broken up with in this because it's so absurd. Don't worry, I will demonstrate.
See, he's inside of it, and that's just like framing his face.
Many, many minutes later.
I have to go. I have a gig standing on the corner at 4 p.m. 70% off! Everything must go! Biggest discounts of the year, one day only. These deals won't last. Don't forget to subscribe.